Welcome back to the channel. In this case, an officer apparently thought that receiving a call about a man filming in public gave him the right to violate the man's Fourth Amendment protections. He demanded ID, treated the man like a dog by ordering him to sit on the ground, and even tried to put him in handcuffs. But then, things took an unexpected turn.
Did you just take a picture of me? That's hypocritical. That's funny, dude. You're funny, dude. Where? I'm on your property? Where? This is your property? You know what an easement is? Do you know what an easement is? You don't know what a public easement is? No? Well, you might get educated today. You might get educated today. I'm not your slave. Sorry. I mean, I could. But you're telling me to do something, right? What did I tell you to do? What did I tell you? Wait. Hey, no. Asking is, hey, could you wait for the cops? You said wait for the cops. Yeah, that's a tell. That's not an ask. Wait for the cops. Did you go and they didn't educate you over the phone on what public easement is? Just be truthful to the cops when they show up.
You've been asked to leave the property, sir.
When?
You haven't signed on to the property. Just now.
Just now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm now on the property. Do you know what an easement is?
You're not in a safe place either.
Do you know what an easement is? Your safety is not my concern. My safety is not your concern. No one's safety is anyone else's concerns.
Oh, God.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm trying to be serious. Do you know what an easement is?
What are you doing out here? What's the point of you being here?
I've been taking photos. He said he's calling the cops, so I was waiting 10 minutes.
So what were you taking photos of? That's all we were wondering.
No, I told him.
Because
I told him.
Coming in out of here, we gotta wonder what foot traffic is doing.
But I told him what I told him what I was doing.
Oh, he said you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
He said you
was.
him that you didn't have to talk to him.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's not what you said?
I told him. I said I'm out here taking pictures of what I can see in public.
No. He said that you asked him.
So I got to record it right here. I got to record it right here. You can lie all you want. He can lie all he wants. But I told him.
I don't really care.
I know you don't care.
I'm doing my job.
Yeah, you can do your job. But your job really is inside, not outside of your property.
All of this is my job. Buddy.
Really? The curb and everything?
Yeah.
Even the sidewalk?
Yeah.
You're on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Really?
That's my job.
You own the sidewalk? For real?
I own it.
You really do? They own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Holy shit. The only company in the U.S. to own the sidewalk.
You know, look at little viral videos, but it's not going to work today.
Yeah? What if the cops show up and try and do something crazy? That'd be hilarious, right?
Just asking you to look further off the road. That's all I'm trying to do.
You want me to move off the road a little bit? Sure, I'll do that for you.
Yeah, just so I can get off.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
I'll move.
That's all I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'll move.
Can you put in the parking lot?
I can't go in their property. I can't do that.
Oh, I'm asking you to.
No. If they ask me to, then I'd go. I can't do that.
They're saying that you were just on their property.
No, I was there. I got it all recorded, man. Up and down.
Okay. Now I have to look at it.
You want to look at my
I
video?
just got the phone.
Well, I've been up and down here. If they tell you otherwise, well, they can do a PPA. Yeah, they can do a PPA, and I can go ahead and go to jail, and they can go ahead and release me. No, I was about to move so you can move your car.
No, that's cool.
You sure?
I mean, I asked you to go in the parking lot. You're not going to.
Yeah, I'm not going to go in the parking lot because that's on their property.
Okay.
And he already said I'm not allowed on their property.
So I'll just block this.
Right.
Then. That's fine.
I mean, if you want to, I can move down there, and you can go ahead and park.
No, I want to make this as easy as possible.
All right, no
What's
problem.
your name, man?
I don't want to give that, sir.
Okay, well, I can tell you right now, unfortunately, you're being detained for a disorderly conduct violation because they're saying that you're on the property, okay, and you're a cursing.
You can read that and return it in 1 minute.
I just want your side
Nope,
of the
if you're
story.
saying disorderly conduct, if that's my charge, they can take me in. I'll go ahead and do a PPA. They can go ahead and arrest me, and I'll go ahead and fight it in court. As I said, I got it all on camera.
Well, that's great. I'd rather you just.
I understand it, but it's not my due diligence to prove anything. It's their job to prove I was on.
Harder than it has to be. Then?
I'm not making it harder. They called the cops. I didn't call you. But you can read that, or you can return it. But it's explaining the law.
I know what the law is. I'm just
Okay, do you want to read it?
Story.
Do you want to read it? I told you my story. I was taking pictures out here. Now I can't have my property back. If you don't want to read it, that's fine.
No, right now I'm paying attention to you.
That's fine. Am I being detained?
All right, I just told you.
For what crime?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
You want to keep crossing your side of the story now? Or?
No, I'll wait till they tell you theirs. And if they tell you I was in their property, that's fine. But I wasn't.
You want to take the seat for me then?
No, I will not sit.
Well, going to put you in handcuffs then, okay?
I refuse. If you do, I will be pressing a lawsuit against you.
You're being detained right now.
If you put me in handcuffs, you'll be getting a lawsuit.
258, you might come over here for a second, please.
Matter of fact, let me do this. Let me call my lawyer then. Let me call my lawyer. He says I'm being detained.
Hey, he's being detained right now. I'm going to put him in handcuffs.
I'm calling my lawyer right
He's
now.
saying that he's got a...
He didn't want to read my information. I told him before already. I've been up and down here, not on their property, on a public easement. It's up to you to do what you want to do, but I'm calling my lawyer.
They just said he was taking pictures. They confronted him. Kind of got back and forth verbally, but that's it.
So they're saying he didn't go on the property.
They said he was in the driveway. They didn't say he went past the gate or anything like that into the property.
Are they wanting to press charges?
No, they didn't.
No, they're not. Okay.
No.
That's a different story than I got.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to press charges? So what story did you get?
Well, they thought you're on. They were saying you were on their property and you wouldn't leave and you're blocking trucks.
I wasn't blocking anything.
And then-
That's a false report. Yeah, if they want to take me to jail,
talking to you right now. You know, you start talking to somebody, you get a little more information as you talk to them. You know what I'm saying?
But
And so that's what they finally
can you
said.
answer
They
me
said,
this?
Yeah.
Is it my job to answer your questions?
You don't have to answer my questions.
There we go. Now, he says I'm detained for disorderly. Am I still being detained?
You
They don't want to press charges. You don't like what I'm saying?
So if I wanted to press charges, they'd be detained, right? You put them in handcuffs the same way?
What's that?
You put them in the handcuffs the same way if they were detained, right?
I was investigating them for doing some sort of offense, and they weren't complying with anything I asked them to do.
So as I was trying to give him, I am complying. But here's 3802.
I'm blocking Elena's salary. Let's get out of
Yeah,
here.
I tried to go ahead and let him. But if you want to read that for me?
I'm familiar. That's
So
what,
he doesn't want to get educated. That's the problem. Briggs, what's your badge number?
Let's get out of here.
What's your badge number, sir? I'm asking.
1447.
1447?
I gotta get out of the road, man, okay?
I asked you to get out the roadway earlier.
Yeah, just
But
sit back and say
I
it's
can't
false.
pass back here, sir.
Huh?
I can't pass back here.
Why?
That's their property.
Well,
See this? This is
No,
my
that's-
safety sign. See that
that's for the
telephone pole?
roadway.
Yeah.
okay.
This is my
Well,
easement.
here's the thing. Anything else I could do for you? They're not wanting to press charges. They just say you didn't do anything. So.
Well, I didn't commit a crime, so it
I
wouldn't matter.
understand.
So, but do you understand 3802, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that means I don't have to ID or anything until I've been lawfully arrested.
Yes, sir. I agree. I understand
Okay.
all
So that man, he detained me. I like the incident report since I was detained.
He never detained.
He said I got it on film, sir.
No, did he?
He said I was legally being detained. He can tell you right now.
Okay, if he never put handcuffs on you or anything like that.
That doesn't matter. I was detained. I would
Okay.
like an incident report.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and press file a report against this officer for detaining me for no crime.
You'd have to go up to the South Lake Police Department.
No, sir. The report was on me. I can get that report right now. I want that incident number.
I'll tell you what, give me the station, I'll give it to you.
That's not how it works. Can you get your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Can you get your supervisor, please?
Sure. Give me the station and I'll have you talk to
No, sir.
I'm not
I would
gonna
like
have
to
anything out here.
either give me an incident report, or I'm just gonna have to. This is getting more difficult than what it has to be. Why are you so uptight? Why
Because
can't
we're
you
on the
just
side
give
of
me?
the road right now.
Okay, I'm
And really-
on an easement.
Are you gonna let me talk?
Go on.
You're asking me a question, let me answer. Okay? Alright. When I was asking you questions earlier, trying to get your side of the story, you didn't want to share anything. I told you I was here to get your side of the story.
Right, and was I fleeing from you or fighting with you or anything put you in danger?
No, you weren't.
So why would you put me in handcuffs?
I told you were going to be detained. I asked you a simple thing was for my safety, and your safety was to sit on the ground.
So here's
okay?
the thing about sitting on the ground.
So it's
You don't know if I have medical
I'm-
issues,
I'm
man.
down, okay?
Can I get
I'm
an
not
incident
being
report?
detained. I told you go.
Can
to
I get
the
an
police
incident
station.
report?
I'll look it up for you, okay?
Can I get an incident report?
Yes, you can.
Can I get it right here, right
At the
now?
police
Can I get the number right here? Because I know you can pull it up in your.
Write it down.
Yeah, if you want to write it out, or just tell me. Right here. 1 second.
You let me know when you're ready.
All right.
So when I get the incident report, it's gonna be 20SP
0SP
0137
0137
62.
62.
All right,
That's it.
that's it.
All right. That's all I need to know, man.
Okay.
Why you make it difficult? Like incident report. You're gonna be on my way.
That's all you
Okay,
need,
sir.
You too, man.
That's all you need.
That's all I wanted. Or did you have your name and badge number as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a business card? That's awesome,
business
dude.
card,
Dang,
all you
man, you fancy, dude.
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right.
All right, we all good?
All right, man. Look forward to the video, man. You have a good one.
All right. So, Blas Hernandez, I said hello. Yeah, he'll know what's up.
This is unfortunately typical police behavior. As usual, This officer shows little regard for our rights. Even worse, he seems to believe that if we, the people, are accused of something, it's our responsibility to prove our innocence, while the accuser is automatically assumed to be truthful. That's why it's so important to know your rights and help raise awareness among the public. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment to help reach more people. And remember, always record the interaction. It's your best protection.